Hello everyone and welcome to another hair tutorial. This tutorial is going to be a braid that's comprised of 3 different braids, and I like to call it a warrior braid. It's inspired by the TV show The 100, which I absolutely love. So you're going to start off by doing a Dutch braid. Take a section of hair from the top of your head and split that into 3. And you're going to take the outside sections underneath the middle section. Add in a new section of hair from your hairline. You're going to take this strand and add it to the outside section, take that underneath so it becomes the middle section. Go to the opposite side of your head and add a section of hair and take that underneath so it becomes the middle strand. Take a section of hair from your hairline, add it to the outside strand, take that strand underneath, it will become the middle strand. Take a section of hair from your hairline on the other side, add that to the outside section and take it underneath, and that will become the middle. Just going to continue to do that until you've got all hair added in that reaches the top of your ears. Going to tie that off, and now you're going to do a rope braid with that ponytail that you've just made. With a rope braid, you're going to twist the hair one way, then twist it over each other in the opposite way. It doesn't matter which way, as long as they are different. If you find that your rope braid keeps falling out, it might be because you're twisting them the same way. Then you're going to gather up all your hair and do a fishtail braid. So you're going to split the hair into 2, take outside sections and take them over to the opposite side. So take a section of hair from one section and take it over to the other section. Section of hair from that section over to the opposite section. I do have other tutorials showing you how to fishtail braid if you are unclear. And there you go, you can fluff it out if you want to. And that's it. A warrior braid. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!